Evaporative coolers are a critical part of keeping homes cool and comfortable. But did you know that over the winter months, you are losing up to 40% of your household heat through the roof ducts that are designed to keep your home cool in the summer months? Vent Covers is an Australian-owned company that guarantees to reduce household heat loss through its innovative design and simple-to-install vent covers that not only look sleek and clean, but save you money and keep your house warmer for less. Reduce drafts and breeze when your evaporative cooler is not in use. And cover up those often yellow-stained vents that fail to look aesthetically pleasing. The installation process is easy and only needs to be done at the end of the summer months. Vent Covers have spent time ensuring that anyone can safely install and remove their covers using a specifically designed magnet system. Using the application pole, simply connect the vent cover to the large round magnet at the end of the application pole and raise the vent to the ceiling. Align the vent cover over the evaporation cooling vent and watch the vent cover magnetize and hold in place. Most importantly, vent covers reduce the carbon footprint, greenhouse gases, on the environment, are lightweight, durable, and covered by a guarantee. This once-off purchase will help keep your home warmer, your energy bill down, your ceiling looking aesthetically pleasing, and may increase your home's energy efficiency.